Beware of false light, for it may dazzle the eyes, but it'll leave the soul in darkness. Consider life as a demanding expedition on an unforgiving sea, where we tirelessly chase after things that promise immediate happiness, but ultimately leave us empty and unsatisfied. These fleeting pursuits are akin to enticing mirages in a harsh desert, captivating from afar but dissolving upon closer inspection. We might mistakenly believe that the material possessions hold the key to our happiness, but they are more like shooting stars, brief, transient, and ultimately inconsequential. Now envision your inner world as a vast and uncharted ocean, teeming with the ebb and flow of thoughts and emotions. We're told that the true treasure of lasting happiness lies hidden beneath this tumultuous surface. But these superficial joys, like hastily consumed snacks, serve only to divert our attention from the profound depths of our own existence. At the heart of our journey lies the imperative of self-exploration, a challenging voyage into the abyss of our thoughts and emotions. This demanding odyssey not only unveils the currents that steer our lives, but also reveals the intricate web of connections that bind us to others. It is within the mysterious enigma of our inner world that we are urged to seek the elusive source of authentic happiness. Amidst the relentless hustle and bustle of our lives, we may find ourselves ensnared by the allure of momentary pleasures. However, when we embark on the perilous journey of self-discovery, we may unearth a treasure trove of enduring joy, much like the revelation of a hidden subterranean realm, replete with captivating marine life and enigmatic artifacts from the past. This journey, however, is not without its treacherous trials, such as the seemingly endless struggle to break free from addiction. Addiction may offer fleeting respite, but it invariably drags us deeper into the abyss. Yet a faint glimmer of hope suggests a guiding light leading us back to safer shores. As we press forward, we confront tumultuous waters where power and control often hold sway. The illusion that dominion over all is the path to happiness often results in moral corruption and a descent into moral blindness. True strength, we're reminded, lies in humility, empathy, and the ability to transform the world into a more compassionate place. Yet there's an undercurrent, suggesting that real strength emerging from deeper self-awareness and empathetic connection with others is not without its vulnerabilities. These intricate connections may sometimes ensnare us, leading us astray and causing us to lose our sense of self. Continuing our journey, we encounter the perilous challenges of extreme beliefs, where individuals become entrapped in their convictions. Blind to the multifaceted nature of the world, they relentlessly pursue an elusive mirage of righteousness, often at the cost of inflicting harm upon others. However, a disconcerting suspicion lingers that these entrenched beliefs may never yield to reason or compassion. Our path also takes us through the tumultuous seas of personal ambition, where the relentless pursuit of success can trample others in its voracious quest for self-aggrandizement. While personal achievements may provide fleeting gratification, the collateral damage to relationships and moral integrity raises disconcerting questions about the true nature of success. Yet amidst these trials, we stumble upon an elusive inner fire, purportedly waiting to be harnessed. By remaining true to ourselves, extending kindness to others, and sharing our inner light, we may transform the world. However, the volatile nature of this inner fire suggests that its manipulation may carry inherent risks. As our odyssey unfolds, we gradually unveil the mysteries of our consciousness, transforming the world from a bewildering place into one teeming with ambiguous meaning and connections. The overarching uncertainty that remains is whether our relentless quest for understanding will yield genuine insight or plunge us into the abyss of existential nihilism. And amidst this tumultuous journey, we embrace the empowering concept of detachment, an essential anchor amidst the chaos. Detachment empowers us to observe our desires and pursuits with a certain distance, freeing ourselves from the relentless grip of fleeting joys and external validations. It's the ability to savor the beauty of the journey itself, without fixating on a singular destination. In detachment, we discover a source of inner strength that steadies us, allowing us to navigate the stormy seas of life with unwavering grace and resilience. Humanfluence, out.